Hey, English learners, welcome back to English Speaking Practice. I'm Leo.
And I'm Maya. And hey, before we start, quick favor. Please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, and turn on notifications so you never miss our lessons.
Yes, and you might notice something different today. We're in our brand new studio. What do you think?
We're so excited about this new space. It feels fresh, it feels professional, and we hope you love it too.
So if you like the new look, let us know in the comments.
All right, Leo, I need to ask you something, and please, be honest.
Uh-oh, this sounds serious.
Directly. How many hours do you spend on your phone every day? Like, really, honestly.
Maybe, I don't know, 6? 7?
7 hours, Leo? That's like a full-time job.
Okay, but it's not my fault. Instagram keeps showing me funny videos, YouTube recommends interesting stuff, and then I'm in a rabbit hole.
A rabbit hole. That's when you start watching one video and suddenly 3 hours have passed and you don't know how.
Exactly. And then it's midnight and I haven't done anything productive all evening.
Okay, I get it. I have my bad habits too. Like, I say I'm going to wake up early and exercise, but then my alarm goes off and I hit snooze like 5 times.
5 times? Those are rookie numbers.
Hey, at least I try.
But you're right. We all have bad habits. Things we know we should stop doing, but we keep doing them anyway.
Exactly. So today, we're going to talk about good habits versus bad habits. And we're going to be completely honest about our own struggles.
So, let's face it, nobody's perfect. We all have things we want to improve.
And while we're talking about habits, we'll teach you tons of useful English vocabulary and phrases that you can use every single day.
So this is both a self-improvement lesson and an English vocabulary lesson.
All right, let's dive in. Leo, confess, what's your worst bad habit?
Okay, confession time. My worst bad habit is procrastination.
Oh, procrastination. That means you delay doing things. You put them off for later and later and later.
Exactly. Like I need to study English vocabulary, I tell myself, I'll do it tonight. Then tonight comes and I think, I'll do it tomorrow.
And tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next month.
Yes, and then I feel guilty because I know I should be studying, but I just keep putting it off.
So put off means to postpone or delay something. I keep putting off my homework.
What about you, Maya? What's your bad habit?
Okay, honestly, I'm addicted to my phone too, especially at night.
You? But you always seem so organized and disciplined.
I try to be, but here's what happens. I get into bed, I tell myself I'll just check my phone for 5 minutes, and then suddenly it's 2 a.m. and I'm watching random videos about, I don't know, how cheese is made.
Cheese-making videos at 2 a.m.? That's so random.
But they're interesting, and that's the problem. The algorithm knows what I like, so it keeps feeding me more content.
The algorithm is the system that decides what videos or posts to show you. It learns what you like and gives you more of the same.
And before you know it, your whole evening is gone, and you haven't done anything you actually needed to do.
I feel this so much. It's like time just disappears.
So we both have the same problem. We waste too much time on our phones. But here's the question. How do we break this bad habit?
Break a habit means to stop doing something. Like, I'm trying to break my habit of eating junk food.
I think the first step is awareness. You need to notice when you're doing it.
Right. Like, I didn't realize I was spending 7 hours on my phone until I actually checked my screen time.
Screen time is the total amount of time you spend looking at screens. Your phone, computer, TV, everything.
And when I saw the number, I was shocked. 7 hours. That's almost a third of my day.
So step 1 is check your screen time. Be honest with yourself about how much time you're actually wasting.
Okay, but what's step 2? because knowing the problem doesn't automatically fix it.
Step 2 is replace the bad habit with a good habit. You can't just stop doing something. You need to do something else instead.
Oh, so instead of scrolling on my phone, I should do something else. Like what?
Read a book. When you feel the urge to check your phone, pick up a book instead.
Okay, so I'm building a new habit, a good habit to replace the bad one.
Exactly. And at first, it's hard. Your brain wants the easy dopamine hit from scrolling, but if you stick with it, the new habit becomes automatic.
Stick with it means to continue doing something even when it's difficult. I'm going to stick with my exercise routine even though it's hard.
All right, let's talk about another common bad habit, staying up too late.
Oh no, are you calling me out again?
Am I wrong?
No, you're not wrong. I'm a total night owl.
Night owl is someone who stays up late at night. The opposite is an early bird, someone who wakes up early.
Yeah, I always tell myself I'll go to bed at 10 p.m., but then 10 p.m. comes and I think, it's still early, just one more episode.
And one more episode becomes 3 more episodes.
Exactly. And then it's 2 a.m. and I have to wake up at 7 a.m. and the next day I'm exhausted.
Oh, I used to do this too. I would stay up until 1 or 2 a.m., then drag myself out of bed in the morning, feeling terrible.
Curious. Used to. So you don't do it anymore?
I've been working on it, and it's not perfect, but it's better.
Interesting. How did you change this habit?
I started setting a bedtime alarm, not a wake-up alarm.
Wait, an alarm to tell you to go to sleep?
Yes, my alarm goes off at 10 p.m. and it reminds me, hey, start getting ready for bed.
Oh, so you're giving yourself a reminder before it's too late.
Exactly. And I don't get into bed immediately at 10 p.m., but I start my wind-down routine.
Wind down means to relax and slow down at the end of the day. I need to wind down before bed.
So at 10 p.m., I turn off bright lights, I stop looking at screens, I maybe read a book or do some light stretching, and by 11 p.m., I'm ready to sleep.
And that's actually really smart. You're preparing your body and mind for sleep.
Exactly. Your brain needs time to shift from awake mode to sleep mode. You can't just go from watching an action movie to sleeping in 2 minutes.
Yeah, I've tried that and it doesn't work. My brain is still buzzing.
Buzzing means active and energetic, like your thoughts are racing. My mind was buzzing with ideas.
Okay, I need to try this bedtime alarm thing.
You should. It really helps. Now, let's talk about another good habit, drinking water.
Oh no, are you going to tell me I don't drink enough water, aren't you?
Leo, be honest. How many glasses of water do you drink per day?
Maybe 2? 3?
2 or 3? You need 8 glasses of water per day.
But I drink coffee. That's liquid.
Coffee doesn't count. Coffee actually dehydrates you.
Dehydrate means to remove water from your body. The opposite is hydrate, which means to add water to your body.
Your body needs pure water. Not coffee, not soda, not juice. Just water.
I know, but I just forget to drink it. I'm not thirsty until suddenly I'm really thirsty.
That's the problem. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. You shouldn't wait until you're thirsty.
So how do you remember to drink water?
I bought a big water bottle, 1 liter, and I make it a goal to finish 2 bottles per day.
Oh, so you can see your progress. It's like a game.
Exactly. And I keep the bottle on my desk so I can see it. Every time I see it, I take a sip.
A sip is a small amount of liquid. Take a sip of water.
And honestly, after a week of drinking enough water, you feel so much better. More energy, clearer skin, better focus.
Okay, I'm convinced. I need to drink more water.
Now, let's talk about eating habits. This is a big one.
Oh boy, here we go.
Leo, tell me the truth. What did you have for dinner yesterday?
Fast food?
Fast food, and the day before?
Liquidly?
also fast food?
Leo, you can't eat fast food every day.
I know, but it's so convenient. I'm tired after work. I don't want to cook, so I just grab something quick.
Grab something means to get food quickly without much thought. I grabbed a sandwich on my way home.
And cooking feels like so much work. You have to plan, shop, prepare, cook, and then clean up.
I get it. Cooking does take time and energy, but eating fast food every day is terrible for your health and your wallet.
You're right. I spend so much money on takeout. If I added it up, I'd probably cry.
Add up means to calculate the total. When I added up my expenses, I was shocked. What if you tried meal prepping?
Meal prepping? What's that?
Meal prep means preparing multiple meals in advance, usually on the weekend, so you have healthy food ready for the whole week.
So, like, I cook everything on Sunday and then I just reheat it during the week?
Exactly. You spend maybe 2 or 3 hours on Sunday, and then every weeknight, dinner is ready in 5 minutes.
That actually sounds manageable and probably cheaper than fast food.
Way cheaper and healthier, and you know exactly what's in your food.
Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Good. Start small. Maybe prep just 3 meals to start, not the whole week.
Start small means begin with something easy and manageable, not too ambitious. I'm starting small with just 10 minutes of exercise per day.
Now, let's talk about exercise, because this is something we both struggle with.
Ugh, exercise, my least favorite topic.
I know, I hate it too, but we both know we need to do it.
Yeah, I pay for a gym membership and I go maybe once a month.
Once a month? That's expensive equipment to not use.
I know. I always have good intentions. I think, tomorrow I'll go to the gym. But then tomorrow comes and I'm tired or busy or it's raining.
Good intentions means you plan to do something positive, but you don't actually do it. I had good intentions to call my mom, but I forgot. I used to be the same way, but then I realized the problem. I was setting the bar too high.
What do you mean?
I was telling myself, I'm going to go to the gym for an hour every day. That's too much. It's not realistic.
Oh, so you burned out before you even started.
Burn out means to become exhausted and lose motivation. I burned out from working too hard. So I changed my goal. Instead of 1 hour at the gym, I said, I'll do just 10 minutes of exercise at home.
Just 10 minutes?
Just 10 minutes, because 10 minutes is easy. I can't make excuses about 10 minutes.
Oh, and once you start, you often do more than 10 minutes.
Exactly. Sometimes I do 10 minutes and stop. Sometimes I do 30. But even on bad days, I can manage 10 minutes.
Impressive. That's actually brilliant. Make it so easy you can't fail.
Yes, it's better to exercise 10 minutes every day than to plan for an hour and do nothing.
This is called building consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly, not just once in a while.
So, let's recap all the habit tips we talked about today.
Number 1, check your screen time. Be aware of how much time you're actually wasting.
Number 2, replace bad habits with good habits. Don't just stop doing something, do something better instead.
Number 3, set a bedtime alarm to start your wind-down routine.
Number 4, keep a water bottle visible to remind you to stay hydrated.
Number 5, try meal prepping on weekends to eat healthier during the week.
And number 6, start small with exercise. 10 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
And remember, nobody's perfect. We all have bad habits.
The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress, small improvements every day.
Now, let's quickly review some useful vocabulary from today.
First, procrastination. This means delaying or postponing things you need to do.
I have a problem with procrastination. I always put things off until the last minute.
Next, put off. This phrasal verb means to postpone or delay something.
Don't put off your English practice. Do it now.
Algorithm, the system that decides what content to show you online.
The algorithm keeps showing me cat videos because I watched one yesterday.
Break a habit, to stop doing a repeated behavior.
I'm trying to break my habit of biting my nails.
Stick with it, to continue doing something despite difficulties.
Learning English is hard, but stick with it. You'll improve.
Night owl, someone who stays up late at night.
I'm a night owl. I can't fall asleep before midnight.
Wind down, to relax and slow down at the end of the day.
I need to wind down for an hour before bed, or I can't sleep.
Dehydrate and hydrate, remove water from the body or add water to the body.
Coffee dehydrates you, so make sure to hydrate with water too.
Meal prep, preparing multiple meals in advance.
I do meal prep every Sunday, so I don't have to cook during the week.
And finally, burn out, to become exhausted and lose motivation.
I burned out from studying too much without breaks.
Those are just some of the phrases we use today.
Now, here's your homework. In the comments, tell us what's one bad habit you want to break and what's one good habit you want to build.
Be honest, we all have things we want to improve. Share with us.
And tell us what you think of our new studio. Do you like the new look?
We read every single comment, and your feedback means so much to us.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.
We post new practical English lessons every day to help you improve.
Remember, progress over perfection. Small changes lead to big results.
You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start.
Keep practicing, keep improving, keep building those good habits.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.